mustard barbecue sauce. Now, this isn't your sweet do it all, throw it on everything barbecue sauce like a Sweet Baby Ray's, which I do like. And I'm not saying you can't throw this sauce on everything, but I make this for a very specific use case. It's pork ribs. Now, I'm not actually going to teach you how to make these ribs today, just the sauce, so you can insert it into your favorite rib recipe on your own. This recipe is adapted from an old Michael Simon cookbook, and if you've ever seen him on TV or you know him, everything is Cleveland with him, so he calls this Cleveland style barbecue. I don't know if that's true, I've never been there, but I've made this sauce a bunch of times and it really works well with ribs. It's also great with smoked pork butt or however you make your pulled pork. I've made just a couple of slight changes to the recipe, like a little bit less mustard, no cumin, and a different cooking oil. And then my cooking process is a teeny bit different, but it's pretty similar. So if you have any questions or if you make this recipe, definitely let me know what you think in the comments. And I guess we'll get cooking now. Thank you for watching.